In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page using LeadPages. First of all, you need a LeadPages account. Once you're logged in, you want to go to LeadPages. You've got other options such as lead boxes, lead links, lead digits, and templates, but where you want to go is LeadPages to create a landing page to start capturing leads. And next, click on Create New Page. Once you click that, you'll be presented with some lead capture pages. This is sorted by standard templates. So you've got all sorts of templates such as thank you pages, webinar pages, sales pages, launch pages, upsell bonus pages, and more. But for this purpose, we're going to create a opt-in page. So from the filter by section, we want to click that drop down, click on opt-in, and now it's sorted by opt-in pages. You can choose a template based on your personal preference, or if you don't know which one to choose, you can sort it by highest converting. And this will now bring up the most highest converting landing pages based on other LeadPages members. Okay. Now we can now see which templates we can use. And if you're not sure how it looks like, you can just hover over any of the templates and click on preview. Let's say I want this standard template right here. It's a giveaway for a ebook. Click on preview. And now we just need to wait for the template preview. This will give us a live preview of what it'll look like. You can put your e-cover on the left here, your headline, sub-headline, and a call to action. If you like what you see, we can just go back and we can click on use template. Otherwise, let's keep on going. And let's see some other ones right here. You got a 404 opt-in page, which is not what we want. Let's say we just want to give away a free ebook. And we've got this one here. It's called the Perfect Squeeze page. And we can click on preview. Let's take a look at what this looks like. And at the top, you can choose use this template once you're happy with this type of template. It's got all sorts of features. And if you want to keep it simple, then this template is not a ideal template to use. Let's go back and let's choose a more simpler template, and such as this one here, the first one that we previewed. So let's preview that again. And we can click on use this template. Once everything appears, we can start editing. As you can see, there's this top header section. You can put your logo here and a little slogan if you'd like. Personally, I like to keep things simple. The less things there are, the more direct and easy it is on the eyes. So if we want to remove this top section, we can just highlight this area and just click on hide, and that'll remove it from the page. And let's work on the headline here. Let's say I'm giving a free report on the top 10 lead generation tools. So once you've inserted your headline, we can then move on to entering the sub-headline. So this is more of a kind of like a call to action as well, if you'd like to put. We can hover over it and change it to whatever we want. That is my call to action. To change the button text, we can just click on this little gear icon and click on link options and change it to whatever we want. Let's say we want get instant access. Simply change it and it'll change it in real time, but I'm going to skip over that. Let's also remove this text just below here. There's also a legal section. Let's say I want to change the copyright year. Let's edit text and change it to 2016. You've also got this ebook cover. I can change it by clicking it and putting in any image that I want. I can upload the picture or choose from an existing one from my image library. You also want to make sure you preview it on different types of devices, such as tablet and on the phone, just to make sure that it looks good on all devices. You also need to make sure you link and integrate your autoresponder to your LeadPages account. You see, if I click on the Download Now button, this will pop up. So this is what will appear when someone clicks on that button. They need to enter the name, email, and phone number. Now, we don't need phone number. Let's say we don't want it. We can just click on the X. That'll cross it out. And let's say we don't want to put name as the field name there. So let's instead change it to first name. And that's how easy it is. We can also change this icon to, like, let's say an ebook cover. And we can also change this top bar. Everything's customizable. If I click on the button, you've got other options as well. And to integrate your autoresponder, you need to make sure you go to the form options, integration settings, and integrate it with one of the autoresponders that you would have set when you set up your LeadPages account. And this is compatible with many major autoresponder services. And you choose a designated campaign under your autoresponder service. So then when you get a lead, it'll store it into the right campaign and list. Once you've made all the changes, simply click on Save. And if you haven't given it a page name, we can do so now. Once you've saved it, click on Publish. And now it'll ask you, how would you like to publish this page? Do you want to publish it on your WordPress page, on Facebook, or on your own server? Otherwise, you can grab the direct link. And if I click on View Page, it'll open a new tab there in my browser and show me what the opt-in page looks like. As you can see, this is what we created. And that's how you create a landing page using LeadPages.